Is WhatsApp telling you your storage is full? Photos, videos, voice notes, clogging up your phone. In this video, I'll show you how to free up space on WhatsApp in 2025 without losing important chats. We'll go through both Android and iPhone fixes, plus some hidden tips most people miss. Let's fix this fast. Before we jump in, what's actually taking up your WhatsApp storage? Go to WhatsApp settings, then storage and data. Then tap on Manage Storage. Here, you'll see a full breakdown. Now let's clean it up step by step. Now, go to your phone settings, then tap on Apps. Then find WhatsApp, then tap on Storage. Here, tap Clear Cache. For a deeper clean, you can delete old chats. Go to Chats, swipe left, and tap Delete. But make sure to back up anything important first. Now disable auto download. Go to Settings, then Storage and Data, then Media Auto Download. Set all options to Wi-Fi only or never. And that's it. You just freed up storage and made WhatsApp lightning fast again. If this video helped you, hit that like button, leave a comment if you have questions.